In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to change view, grid versus list. If you use Google Drive regularly, switching between grid view and list view can make browsing your files much faster and more comfortable. Grid view is great when you want big, visual previews of images, videos, or presentations. List view is ideal when you need a compact layout with file details like name, owner, and last modified all in neat rows. Here's how to do it right from the Google Drive toolbar. Open Google Drive in your web browser and look toward the top right area above your files. You'll see a small icon that changes depending on the current view. If you're currently in grid view, you'll see a list view icon that looks like 3 horizontal lines. Clicking it switches you to list view. If you're currently in list view, you'll see a grid view icon that looks like a small square grid of boxes. Clicking that switches you to grid view. The icon always shows the view you'll switch to next, not the view you're already in. As soon as you click, your files will immediately rearrange and the icon will flip to the other one so you can toggle back anytime. You can also switch instantly with a quick keyboard shortcut. Simply press the V key on your keyboard. There's no need to hold Shift or Control, just a single press of V. Make sure your Google Drive tab is active and your cursor isn't in a text field. If nothing happens, click once on the blank space in your file area to bring focus to Drive, then press V again. This is a fast way to jump between views as you browse. A few tips to help you choose the best view for the moment. Use grid view when you're scanning through photos, design files, or videos, since the large thumbnails make it easier to recognize content at a glance. Switch to list view when you're comparing file names, checking who owns a file, or sorting by last modified date. While you can sort in either view, list view displays columns clearly, which can make organization more efficient. If the icon is hard to spot, it's the small toggle just to the left of the settings gear in the top bar. As you click between views, notice how the layout changes. Grid emphasizes visuals, list emphasizes details. Try both to see which suits your current task. That's all you need to seamlessly switch between grid and list in Google Drive. Click the view icon in the toolbar or press V to toggle instantly. With that, you'll move through your files faster and find what you need with less effort.